आधी दुनिया तो हमने घूम ली, अब क्या दिखाना बाकी है?
अलग अलग कल्चर्स को तुमने देख लिया, पर क्या कभी सोचा है जब ये सारे कल्चर्स एक दूसरे में मिंगल अप हो जाएंगे तो क्या होगा?
ये तो कभी मैंने सोचा ही नहीं। हमारे विश्व में अलग अलग संस्कृतियाँ, परंपराएं, भाषाएं जब एक हो जाए तो एक नई ही पहचान बनाएगी।
पर दिक्कत यह है, दूसरों की संस्कृति को अपनाते हुए अपनी संस्कृति का ओरिजिन नहीं खोना चाहिए, तो ही अलग अलग संस्कृतियां मिलकर एक सुंदर समरसता बना पाएंगी।
लेकिन तू ये सब क्यों बता रहा है?
क्योंकि हमारा अगला परफॉर्मेंस है इंग्लिश ड्रामा ऑन द ग्लोबल लोटस ब्लॉसम ट्रेडिशन।
Hello everyone, I am Raghav. I am playing the role of traditional Indian father.
Hello everyone. I am Mira. I am playing the role of modern daughter inclined towards the Western culture.
Hello everyone, I am Arav, playing the role of elder brother balanced between Indian and Western values.
Hello everyone, I am playing the role of grandmother, the wise matriarch and the voice of experience and tradition. Hello everyone, I am Kenji, playing the role of Japanese student and a practitioner of yoga and meditation.
निगत नहीं.
Hello everyone, I am Emily and I am playing the role of American exchange student fascinated by Indian traditions.
Hello everyone, I am Luca. I am playing the role of Italian chef exploring Indian spices and Ayurveda.
Hello everyone. I am Sophia. I am playing the role of British cultural researcher studying Indian philosophy.
Mira, it's Pongal today. Why you are not in a sari?
Papa, these old customs don't suit modern times. Besides, no one cares anymore.
It is not about our clothes. It is about respecting our roots.
Namaste uncle.
Namaste Emily. How are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing now?
I have been studying about Pongal and how it's a celebration of gratitude. I even tried making rangoli.
Wonderful Emily. You honor our tradition better than some of us. Please be seated. Sir.
Ting tong.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome. Please be seated.
Thank you for inviting us.
Kenji, how does yoga helpful for you?
Yoga and meditation has brought me peace. Now I am eager to learn more about their origins.
Sophia, what did you learn from the Indian philosophy?
I have been studying the Bhagavad Gita. Its teachings on selflessness and balance are profound.
Luca, do you get information about Indian spices?
Yes, uncle. I am exploring Indian spices. Indian cuisine has taught me how the flavors and health go hand in hand.
You all speak of our culture with such love. I hope my granddaughter listens to you all.
Papa, preparation has done. Please all have a breakfast. Come in a dining room.
Let's-
It is a whole diet.
Wow, Western food.
It looks so delicious, but what is this?
This is called kheer. It is an Indian sweet dish usually made on Indian festivals and occasions.
Oh,
Please
so,
try it.
so let's taste it. Mmm, yummy.
Wow, it is delicious.
Marvelous.
In the US, yoga and meditation are a part of school curriculums now. They help students focus better.
In Japan, meditation is combined with mindfulness practices. It's helping people manage their stress.
The Bhagavad Gita's philosophy on purpose and detachment is guiding people to live meaningfully.
Indian food. with its focus on spices and Ayurveda, is revolutionizing wellness in Italy.
I never realized how much the world values our culture.
Kenji, how does yoga beneficial for good health?
Hey Meera, what are you doing in your room?
I am reading Bhagavad Gita. It teaches me values of our culture.
Oh, you are reading Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita. But listen to me. The Gita says man is made by his belief. As he believes, so he is. What do you believe in, my child?
I believe in change, Grandma, but I'm starting to see that forgetting our roots isn't progress.
Change is good, but always keep your roots strong. This is real wisdom. Let's go. Come with me in the living room.
It's Akarat.
Ma'am Penny.
Kenji, how does yoga beneficial for good health?
Yoga is a lot beneficial for good health. Now I am going to demonstrate some yoga poses which I learned from India and also gonna recite their benefits. These were some yogas which I learned from India. They help cure our back pain, also sharpen our mind, and also keep us healthy. They also keep us fat free. Thank you.
Sophia, what did you learn from Bhagavad Gita?
In my study, I have learned some of the verses of Bhagavad Gita in Sanskrit. May I recite them, Grandma?
Yes, please.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तथात्मानं सृजन्मयः योगस्थ कुरु कर्माणि संगं त्यक्त्वा धनंजय.
Luca, how does Ayurveda helpful for good health?
Ayurveda is a traditional holistic approach to the medicines that originated in India. Ayurveda is beneficial for the good health, mental health, physical and spiritual by doing exercises and proper health. Herbs and spices play the major role in Ayurveda. Ayurveda is also beneficial for improving skin tone.
Sophia, did you get the information about Indian tradition? Please tell me.
Yes, Grandma. I visited many of the religious places and learned Sanskrit prayers too. May I recite them, Grandma?
Yes.
Vakratunda Mahakarya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurunadeva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. All the religious pujas begin with this prayer. It is Ganesha's prayer.
Papa, how I'm looking?
You are looking so beautiful.
Papa, I finally understand. Our culture isn't outdated, it's timeless.
Now you see why I was so concerned.
As the preparation has done, let's go for the Pongal celebration. Let's go.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि
धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्.
Happy Pongal.
Happy
Happy
Pongal.
Pongal.
Now let's sit for a meditation session in the living room.
Yes.
Now let's chant Om. Om Shanti Shanti.
Our culture isn't outdated. It's time. Our culture. I finally understand. Our culture isn't outdated. It's timeless.
Just like the lotus blooms from the mud, the wisdom grows from rooted traditions.
Whenever
Whenever
there
there
is
is a decline in the righteousness
and a rise in unrighteousness,